We're in our copier screen on our 8100 series, so as you can see we're ready to go. The machine is up, it's at temp, it's ready to actually feed and image paper right now. Our screen, is laid out like all other screens on Ricoh. What you have down your left-hand side is basically the imaging of the particular document that you're doing. This would include things like, is this text or photo? Is it a combination of text and photo modes? You have your auto image density, but you also have your ability to use manual image density to bump up the text darkness a little bit. You have things like original and mixed sizes. You can do batch feeding for when you have more than 200 originals to go through the document feeder. Okay. You have your orientation modes right here. Very similar, if not exact, to what you may have seen before. Across the top, you'll note there's all of the paper trays this particular machine has. And so you can go through and pick and choose the trays that you want. Located right underneath it would be your reduction modes that you would find, including your auto reduce and enlarge. Or you can manually choose. You can also create margins. Right below will be your finishing instructions. You can sort and stack. Because of our machine, we have multiple staples positions available to us. You could also possibly see punching if you had the punch installed in the machine. And then finally, across the bottom are the function keys for the job. And once again, these are the same as what you'd see on earlier Ricohs. You have your output for your finishing. You have stamping capabilities, including many preset stamps, but you also have the ability to create user stamps on this machine. You can do your inserts between covers, slip sheets, chapterizing, inserting tab stock. This can all be done through your slip sheeting right here. You have your edit commands. Inside of your edit commands, you can set up your erase margins. You can edit the positioning of the actual image. You can also erase parts of the image if so desired. In your duplex combine, this will handle all of your paper feeds for duplexing, simplexing, copying from books, magazine modes for making booklets on this particular unit. And then finally, just in case you didn't have enough reduce and enlarge up the panel, here's a whole gamut, including directional magnification, where you can do fancy edits to your actual copies.